funny sounds. For example, like this. Or for example, this one. Or this one.
What do you mean about
Five?
Is somebody little?
Come back here.
Somebody little?
Yeah, I'm on top of the shelf. Yeah, we're on top of the shelf.
Is that
Okay, and then also there's this one.
Who wants to make a new friend? I can be their new friend.
And then there's this one.
Sing we now, sing for the year.
And then there's this one that I really like a lot.
Oh, they changed it.
Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video here because the funny sounds are really funny, and yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye.